When decorating for the holidays, where you place your Christmas tree can totally change how your living room feels. From cozy and inviting to cluttered and awkward, let's walk through 6 common layouts, starting with what doesn't work and how to fix it. But before we dive in, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, are you struggling to find that perfect gift? You can give the gift of a premium membership for a month or an entire year. Check the link in the description to find the details. Okay, let's get started. In this layout, the tree blocks the fireplace and cuts off sight lines from the sofa to the armchair and window. The walkways would run right through tangled cords, which is both unsafe and impractical. Plus, it becomes a fire hazard when the fireplace is lit. Here, the tree sits neatly in the corner besides the fireplace, creating a shared focal point without blocking views. Walkways stay clear behind the sofa, keeping the room safe and easy to move through. This example shows how the tree blocks shelving and becomes the first thing you see when entering the room. It feels oversized, visually heavy, and makes the walkways a little too tight. The tree becomes the main focal point, framed by armchairs angled at 45 degrees for easy conversation. The layout feels symmetrical, open, and comfortably balanced. In this layout, the tree is crammed too close to the door and blocks the main walkway, instantly making the room feel cluttered. When the tree moves to the corner, where it's visible from both the entry and outside, the space instantly feels more open and welcoming. This is one of the most impractical layouts. The tree sits very awkwardly in the middle of the room, blocking views from the sofa and competing with the fireplace. Cords run through walking paths, and the coffee table has no clear function or placement. In the corrected layout, the fireplace and tree become 2 complementary focal points across the room. Furniture feels open and inviting, walkways are wide, and the layout finally supports conversation and flow. The tree blocks a good portion of the entryway on one end, while the sofa on the other end is pushed up against the window, wasting space and cutting off light. Now the tree tucks neatly into the corner besides the sofa, staying visible without interrupting circulation. The room definitely feels more open, balanced, and welcoming, and creates a cozy space for family to gather. In our final layout, the sofa faces away from the entrance, creating a very narrow path into the room. The tree blocks a good portion of the walkway, and the overall layout just feels cramped and off. In the corrected layout, the tree acts as an anchor at the end of the room, creating a beautiful focal point. The layout now feels open, functional, and really becomes the showstopper for your holiday get-together. Alright, let's recap the key rules that will keep your layout cozy, safe, and guest-ready. Don't block the fireplace. Let the tree and fireplace work together instead of fighting for attention. Keeping both visible makes the whole room feel cozier. Design for conversation. Angle your seating so people naturally face each other and the tree, creating a layout that feels social and welcoming. Keep walkways clear, especially near entrances, so guests can move through the space without squeezing around furniture or decor. Create balanced focal points. Let your holiday decor support the room's main features rather than distract from them. Everything should feel intentional. Protect circulation flow. Make sure nothing blocks the natural paths through the room. Good visibility and open space always make the layout feel bigger. Anchor the room. Place big pieces like your tree or fireplace where they frame the space and guide the eye without making it feel cluttered. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments which layout you would use in your living room, and don't forget to like this video.